Greetings to all and welcome to the Medumal channel, dear friends. Today I will describe the love-attracting ritual that demonstrates its effects immediately. Dear friends, it's a very simple ritual, but it's so effective that you will truly be amazed by the results. Without further ado, I want to start explaining right away, but I will begin by saying something first. Beloved friends, for those who haven't had success with rituals or can't perform them, I encourage you to try this one and share your results in the comments. This is a powerful and ancient ritual. Let me know if you want me to explain it now. Yes, friends, start at a time that feels right for you. First, draw a circle and then fill it with the symbols. There's no particular order to follow. Start from any spot and fill it in. I've already written where your name and its name should be. After performing our ritual, you will also check briefly to see if it's correct in this way. Next, quickly bring your hands together and make your intention 7 times, dear friends. In other words, you are instructing me to fall in love with the person you want by saying their name 7 times. Then, you immediately start to perform this ritual and begin to carry it with you. Whether this person sees you or not, they will always connect with you through great love and affection. When they do see you, they will confess this to you directly. I am sharing a ritual that I have genuinely tested and executed with my own clients. I highly encourage you to give it a try. To get information about the operations or to perform a transaction, my number is pinned in the comments, dear friends. You can ask me anything you don't understand. Take care of yourselves until we meet in the next video.